Locating insulation resistance faults. When the ground resistance of the PV string connected to the inverter is too low, the management system generates the alarm low insulation resistance. Troubleshooting. Connect PV strings to the inverter one by one. Step 1. Ensure that the AC connections are normal and power off the inverter. Step 2. Connect a single PV string to the inverter. Power on the inverter. Log in to the Fusion Solar app. Send a startup command. Step 3. Log in to the Fusion Solar app. Check whether the low insulation resistance alarm is reported. No alarm is reported 1 minute after the DC side is powered on. Log into the app and send a shutdown command. If the alarm is reported, check the percentage of the possible short circuit position on the alarm details screen. Step 4. Power off the inverter. Check whether the connectors or DC power cables are damaged. If yes, replace the damaged connectors or DC power cables. Power on the inverter and check the alarm information. If no, go to Step 5. Step 5. Power off the inverter. Disconnect the possibly faulty PV module and the corresponding optimizer from the PV string. Use a DC extension cable with MC4 connectors to connect the PV modules or optimizers adjacent to the possibly faulty PV module. Power on the inverter and check the alarm information. Step 6. Power off the inverter. Reconnect the removed PV module and optimizer. Step 7. Determine the position of the ground insulation fault. Disconnect the possibly faulty PV module from the optimizer. Power off the inverter. Connect the possibly faulty optimizer to the PV string. Power on the inverter. If the inverter status is shut down, command. Log in to the Fusion Solar app. Send a startup command. Check whether the low insulation resistance alarm is reported. Power off the inverter. Replace the faulty component and complete troubleshooting the insulation resistance fault. Step 8. If the inverter is connected to an ESS, turn on the auxiliary power switch of the ESS and then the ESS switch. Power on the inverter. If the inverter status is shut down, command. Log into the app and send a startup command. If the fault persists, contact Huawei technical support.